All right, everybody, this is 817 Tactical. Showing a video of my painted or Cerakoted AR15 that I just completed. As you can see, I taped all the most important parts with painter's tape. Turned out really nice. This is another Dollar Tree paint job, and when I say Dollar Tree, I mean everything that you see here, here, all this stuff. That's all from the Dollar Tree. I went to the Dollar Tree, picked up some foliage and a laundry bag, and painted it that way. So this is, I'm sorry, it's not Cerakoted, it's Rust-Oleum. So, as a little correction, it's Rust-Oleum. Here is the brown I used, or the green. Yeah, this is green. This is tan. This is brown. Rust-Oleum. This is black. Rust-Oleum. I use the camouflage colors. Gives you two times of the coverage. Use this on my 7.62 by 3.9 AR. So it works real good. Again, this is my results. Sorry about all the leaves. But anyway, hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe for more content. Thank you. Bye-bye. 817 out.